What's up?
So this morning we decided to go to Honeymoon Island. We brought Jeffrey's kayak. He's gonna kayak. We were gonna bring mine. I just didn't really feel like it. I kind of just want to chill at the beach today. So we got Cooper with us. The other boys were still sleeping. They're not morning people, which I can't blame them because I'm not a huge morning person either. But you know, it's okay. I'd rather come to a beach than sleep in all day. So Jeffrey's hoping to catch a fish. I don't know if you can hear the noise in the back, but it's his bucket full of live bait. And we are just trying to find a place to park today. So hoping he has some luck, at least catching one fish.
Yeah, I just want to catch a fish.
That's it.
I haven't caught a fish since I've moved to Florida. Just gotta get over there.
See over here, lots of parking, lots of parking. Oh, I see the beach. I see umbrellas up. Yay! I love the beach.
The beach is the funnest.
Palm trees make me smile. Alright guys, we found us a spot. It's pretty crowded, as you can see. There's tents and everything set up everywhere. So we just kind of had to pick us a spot. I think we found a pretty good spacious little spot. Right here, right by the ocean, so we didn't have to set up too terribly far from it. Cooper, say hi. No. Jeffrey's setting up his kayak and all his fishing stuff. Fingers crossed he catches something today. That way we don't have to go buy meat at the store for dinner tonight. So again, we're at Honeymoon Islands. I'm anxious to get out there. There's some rocks out there. I'm anxious to get out there and see if I can find anything good, shells or sand dollars, whatever. Alright guys, we'll be documenting throughout the day and we'll be back with some more footage for y'all.
What, bud? Yeah. Yeah. The fish like the shrimp.
You got bites?
I got plenty of bites, but they tore off all my shrimp. Yeah, I see, baby.